Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at a 2022 Thor Tellaro Model 20A. Cheap, inexpensive, easy to drive. That's what the Tellaro is. This is an awesome Class B for anybody who's looking for van life and anybody trying to save a buck doing it. This is a unibody chassis, that's why they call it a Class B, and it is the Ram ProMaster 3500. We have nice sliding doors here to get in on the inside, but first, before we do, we gotta come around back. You have two huge doors back here that make it very easy to let light in, easy to see, and then both doors, they do close, and you always have to watch your head when it comes to a bike rack, because that sucker will pop you in the head. And it is a nice Tully bike rack. Coming on in here, when you enter, you'll be able to see that it does have a nice cockpit area right over here. Two passenger seats right here. What's great about it is that these passenger seats have seat belts, okay? Decent little kitchen, solid surface countertop, and a typical Class B van. This is what van life is. You guys want van life, that's what you call a plastic toilet, a non-prime pooping position, and it's a cassette toilet, so you have to carry your poop out with you. And then back here, you have two individual beds. It does have a centerpiece if you do want to make one big bed, and beautiful Euro-style cabinetry all the way around. Great, so that's a quick little 2-minute tour of the Thor Tellaro. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in learning more about this motorhome, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or, if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below and a member of our team will reach out and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.